Hello, I'm Kay from the Astra team, and in this video, we will be editing the About page so that it matches our brand and our content.
Now, this video is part of a course organized in a playlist for which you'll find a link in the description below. And if you want to get the most out of it, I strongly encourage you to follow this course in the exact order the videos are organized in the playlist.
Now, in order to help you complete this website project, you'll find a link in the description of this video where you can download the course files. Now, as you may recall, at the beginning of this course, we imported a ready-made website with the Starter Templates plugin. This ready-made website came with the home page, the About page, the Services page, and the Contact page. And today, we will be editing the About page so that it matches our brand and our content. Now, this course is free, and in order to allow a maximum of people to follow along, all the tools used in this course are also free. And even if you don't have a web hosting and domain, you could always create a website locally on your machine with tools like Local by Flywheel, for example. But if you want to take this to the next level, you may want to consider an even more powerful combo with the Essential or Business Toolkits from Astra, which will not only give you access to priority support, but also access to several premium plugins like Astra Pro, premium starter templates, but also access to the ultimate add-ons for Elementor plugin, a popular all-in-one add-on that enhances Elementor's capabilities, offering more than 50 cool widgets, like the Content Toggle widget, the Before and After Slider widget, or the popular Hotspots widget, just to name a few, as well as 200 plus pre-built blocks for all of your Elementor needs. Because most probably, once you're done with this course and realize that there is no limit to what you want to create, you will want to take it to the next level. Now, I will get back to this later in the course, but if you're interested, you will find a link to get ultimate add-ons for Elementor in the description below. Okay, now let's start building our homepage. Ready? So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you want to go to Pages, All Pages. And before we edit the About page, we need to go to the Home page. So hover over Home and click on Edit with Elementor. Then scroll down and let's select our last container, which is our call to action banner. And if you want to be sure, just click on the structure panel and it's the one right here. So you can either right click here and click on copy, or you could do it right here with the 6 dots and click on copy. Now let's get out of here. So click on the Elementor logo, click on exit to WordPress, then click on the logo in the top left corner because we want to go back to the WordPress admin. So accept the prompt and this time hover over About and click on Edit with Elementor. So the first thing we're going to do is scroll all the way down and you see this space here. Right click and paste. And if you followed the previous video about how to build a homepage, you know the drill now. First of all, we're going to rename our containers. So for that, first of all, I'm going to open the course files, click on the text subfolder, and then I'm going to open the text file for the About page. And I can see here, the first one is the page header container. So let me copy this. And back in the Elementor builder, let me double click on the name of the first container and paste what I just copied. Now let's repeat the operation for the other two containers. Great. Now let's scroll back up. Let's select our page header. Then where you see minimum height, change the unit to VH and change the value to 85. Next, click on the Style tab, choose Image, and we're going to pick this image here. Then click on Select. Now let's change the position to Center. And next, let's click the Background subtab and let's open the Background Overlay subtab. Next, where it says Background Type, select Gradient. So the first color doesn't really matter, but what you need to do is to drag the opacity slider all the way to the left to make it completely transparent. Then let's close this. Next, location should be set to 0, and the second color should be set to global color number 4. Next, the location of the second color should be set to 73%, and the angle should be set to 90 degrees. Next, opacity should be set to 0.8. And there you go. So let's save to save our work. And let's move on to the presentation container. So let's go back to our project files. Let's select the first text for the presentation container, hit copy, and then back, let's select our heading and let's replace the text. Next, let's scroll down. Let me close the structure panel. Let's select our image, click on choose image, and we're going to pick this image here. Then click on select. Awesome. Now let's scroll down and let's replace the text by the text in our course files. Copy. Let's replace the text by pasting. And for the second one, same thing. Let's copy the text. Let's select the text we want to replace. And let's paste the copied text. Next, let's scroll down. Let's select our image here. Click on choose image. And let's select this image here. Then click on select. Next, let's select our heading here. Then back to our project files and copy. And back in the Elementor builder, let me replace the text. Then click on style, text color, and let's set it to theme color number 6. Next, let's click on the text just below the image, go to style, text color, and let's set it to theme color number 9. And next, let's click on publish to save our work. And now let's click on the preview changes icon. And there you go. As you can see, we have a beautiful hero section. Then we have our introductory text. We have an image, our mission, our values, a testimonial, and finally, our call to action banner. So as you can see, with the help of the imported ready-made website, as well as the course files, building the about page was a breeze. And in the same way, in the next video, we will be building the services page.